Let's boost English with advanced vocabulary hidden in an engaging story. In a quiet cafe, two friends, Marcus and Jay, are having a conversation.
You look like you didn't sleep last night.
Yeah, I got that interview at that Lunaris Media today. It's a huge opportunity, but honestly, you just feel like I'm just winging it.
Winging it means to do something without proper preparation or planning.
You, winging it? That doesn't sound like you at all. You're usually meticulous about everything.
Meticulous means very careful and precise, showing great attention to detail.
I was trying to be, but the company is so prestigious and the position so coveted. I just can't shake the feeling that I'm out of my depth.
Prestigious means having high status, respected and admired. Coveted means greatly desired or envied. Out of my depth means in a situation that is too difficult to handle or understand.
You know what that is? Imposter syndrome. The more capable you are, the louder it gets in your head. Doesn't mean you're not qualified, just that your brain is being irrational.
Imposter syndrome means the feeling that you are not as competent as others think you are, and the fear of being exposed as a fraud.
Easier said than done. I've gone through their website 100 times, read every case study. But the moment I imagine myself in that boardroom, I freeze.
Then stop imagining failure. Visualize success. Walk in with pose, speak with conviction, and if you don't know something, own it. A little humility goes a long way.
Poise means calm, graceful, and confident behavior. Conviction is firm belief or confidence in what one says or does. A little humility goes a long way means being modest can make a strong positive impression.
You're right, I guess I need to stop waiting for the stars to align.
Waiting for the stars to align means waiting for a perfect set of circumstances or ideal conditions before taking action.
Appreciate the pep talk.
Pep talk is a talk intended to make someone feel more courageous or enthusiastic.
Time to sparkle and shine, my friend.
How are you always so calm?
I'm not. I've just learned that the mind loves to catastrophize. But courage, it's quieter. It shows up in small acts like walking into that room and speaking your truth.
Catastrophize means to view or present a situation as considerably worse than it actually is.
You're annoyingly good at this, you know that?
Perk of the job, professional best friend. Now go make me look even smarter.
Perk means an advantage or something extra. Just like that, they walked off down the street, side by side, the glow of the cafe fading behind them. Hope warming the chill between raindrops. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.